Other news now, charges are pending this afternoon against a state senator for allegedly driving drunk back in January. But our partners at the Capital Chronicle say the case remained under wraps for months because of his status as a lawmaker through something called legislative immunity. The Chronicle cites documents that claim Senator Bohacek of Michiana Shores was stopped by police on January 24th, refused a breathalyzer test. Police then took him to a hospital where he tested .28, more than 3 times the legal limit. But Bohacek wasn't arrested at the time. Under Indiana law, members of the General Assembly are shielded from arrest in most cases during the legislative session. It's a protection known as legislative immunity, and that meant Bohacek's case was kept sealed and the senator remained uncharged for months. We talked today with attorney Brad Banks, who isn't a part of this case, but we wanted to ask him about this legislative immunity and how it works.
The Constitution, when they created this, was the idea behind it was the legislature's in session. They're taking care of the people's business. They're very busy passing laws, and there's only one vote on each issue that comes up before them, so they don't want them to miss important votes. So the Constitution created this thing that allows for arrest and criminal immunity for anything less than a felony. So it can't be anything too serious. And what it means basically is while they're in session, we're not going to let something that's what appears to be relatively minor interrupt their duties.
Minor meaning not a felony.
Any non-felony. But once the session's over and life's sort of back to normal and their vote is not necessarily going to be needed on any particular day, then they're back to just being kind of like a regular citizen and can be charged with a crime just like anybody else.
Senator Bohacek did not respond to the Capital Chronicle's request for comment. A Senate communications staffer also declined to comment, saying the incident falls into the personal matter category.